Okay, man. Down there, just give me a call, man, because I'm recording a promo. Once again, it's on another edition of I Want to Praise You. Hi, it's your big homie Darren Florence. It's my pleasure to bring you another special edition of I Want to Praise You this week. A love festival, to say the least. We're going to be talking about extraordinary love. We're going to talk about everlasting love, and of course, Jesus is love. Also on the week, comedian Jeff Giant, he's going to be talking about love, of course, and the NBA All-Star game that's going to be in New York City. Hey, man, I told you, I'm going to call you. I'm recording a promo, man. Leave me alone. Also on the show, Halloran Hill, wisdom, knowledge, power, information. I love his segment. He's going to be talking about love as well, so check that out. Also, don't forget about your big homie, me, Darren Florence. All this on I Want to Praise You on this very special holiday, Valentine's Day week and Valentine's Day weekend. See you later on this weekend, Friday night, right here on my Facebook page where it goes down. Holla at your big homie. Hey, man, leave me alone when I'm recording, man. Don't make me come see you, man. Peace.